3, 2, 1.
Another great news today that we have been appointed by 2 US-based multinational companies.
Send us your CVs.
And more manpower is required.
So there are many students who are already doing our course. आपकी सिलेक्शन के लिए क्या क्या फैक्टर्स इंपॉर्टेंट हैं? गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, पैशन फॉर सर्विस, प्लीजिंग पर्सनालिटी टू रिप्रेजेंट द कंपनी, सीवी कैसे बनानी है, प्रोफेशनल फोटो कैसे लेनी चाहिए, क्रिएटिव इंट्रोडक्शन का इंपॉर्टेंट होना क्यों जरूरी है। You are going to be the brand ambassador of that company. Customers से बात करोगे, foreigners से बात करोगे, VVIPs से बात करेंगे. You will be booking tours. English communication skill. That is very important. जो सोच रहे हैं क्या वो इंग्लिश में वो बात कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एटीट्यूड आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में दिखता है. स्माइल होनी चाहिए. पोस्चर कैसा होना चाहिए. फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. क्लोज्ड बॉडी लैंग्वेज. बिग नो फॉर इंटरव्यूज. विच वन डू यू थिंक इज द राइट बॉडी लैंग्वेज? सो लेट्स लुक एट सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स. Be punctual and practice time management. Don't rush at the last minute. Show them that you are serious. Practice. This thing is very important for you because you have to bring yourself to that level. We are there always to help you.
Air India, who just ordered about 500 new aircraft, Vistara, AirAsia, SpiceJet, everybody has ordered aircraft. They are going to add more and more people. They need more and more manpower. As per ITA, traffic in India has already grown. A lot of foreign tourists are now looking from US, from UK, from other markets, visiting India as a tourist. A great opportunity for all of you to grow. It's one of the best industry in the world to grow. Let's look at the job scenario.
We will take your interviews and then we will be sending you for further interviews. I want all of you to switch on your cameras. Let's take a selfie. Nice. Thank you so much.